Welcome back to day 2 of the most important basics in K-pop, which are bounces. Yesterday we did a basic up-down bounce. Today we're going to add a little bit more flavor to that up-down bounce. So just like yesterday, I want you to start with the knees bent, hips forward and the shoulders forward. That nice C shape that we had going yesterday. Now instead of standing up, we're just going to pull them right back, just where we were, okay? Bring them forward again, bring them back, bring them forward, bring it back. Because we're down low, the knees are bent, you'll be able to get a much bigger arch in the back than you could yesterday. Okay, so really push, get that as big as you can. What this is good for training is your shapes for girl dances. Everything in girl dance is about lifting the chest and pushing out the hips. Practicing this bounce is really going to help get your body used to pushing those shapes, making them nice and big, getting some good feminine S-line shapes in there. Okay, but if we put yesterday's bounce together with this bounce, we get a completely different move, and it's actually a pretty common move that comes up quite a lot. So here we go. If you're ready for this, we're going to start down. We're going to pull back. We're going to push it forward. We're going to go up and back. We're going to go down, bring it back, forward, up and back, down, back, forward, up and back, down, back, forward, up, down, back, forward, up, down, back, forward, up. And when this speeds up, it turns into a really fun boppy type bounce, okay? That'll really help again improve those like hip hop vibes to your dancing, which comes up a lot in boy style. But this idea of lifting and dropping while keeping contact with your C shapes is really useful training for your K-pop basics. That's all for today. I'll see you for another bounce tomorrow. Bye.